Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. My clients are all over the United States. Some are even outside of the United States, and we work with them on immigration applications. We work with humanitarian cases like VAWAs, T visas, U visas. So T visas are for victims of trafficking, U visas are for victims of crime. We also work with family green cards and tourist visas, student visas as well. And of course, we work with employers who are sponsoring individuals for various types of employment-based visas, or individuals that are self-sponsoring their employment-based visas or green cards. So this is what we do. We do a lot of different things under immigration, but we only practice with U.S. immigration cases. I am an attorney. I'm here to give you some information about U.S. immigration, to maybe answer some questions and provide clarity about immigration. If you'd like to talk about your case, if you'd like to talk about something that is confusing to you, but you're talking specifically about your case or somebody you know, I would encourage you to schedule a consultation with our firm. You can do that by calling our office, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Our consultations, if you want to have a one-on-one confidential consultation, our consultations are conducted by phone, by Zoom, or in person. Again, that's phone, Zoom, or in person. Our offices are in Washington, D.C., so if you would like to come in person, you'll have to come here to Washington, D.C. Zana just started following us on TikTok. Thank you, Zana. A reminder for you guys, if you like this conversation, if you want to be notified when I'm on again, please make sure you like us and follow us on our social media platforms. We're on TikTok, we're on Facebook, we're on YouTube, and we're also on Instagram. So make sure you like us and you follow us on our social media platforms. And if you have others that are interested in this conversation, please share this with them as well. So if you think someone might benefit, they're confused about immigration, or something that I'm saying sounds like it might help somebody, please share this with them so they can get notified, they can get updated on some immigration options that might be that might be available for them. Zana says she's about to schedule a consultation. Great, Zana, I look forward to meeting you. You can schedule a consultation by calling the office at 703-348-1663. My assistant just left a little bit ago, so she'll call you back tomorrow if you leave a message. But if you want to get on my calendar right now, please go to our Facebook page or our website. So Facebook is Agarwal Immigration, website is agarwalimmigration.com, and go to the contact us. You can schedule a consultation directly from there. You can see my availability, get on my calendar, and I will look forward to speaking with you on the phone or meeting you on Zoom or in person. Okay? Thank you, guys. So let's jump into our conversation today, which is going to be focused on green cards, right? So if you're interested in green cards, stay on. If you're joining me for the first time, please say hello. Tell me where you're watching from. I would always love to know where people are watching from. And we're going to talk about green cards. So tell your friends if you think they might want to join in this conversation, and like us and follow us so we can talk about green cards some more. Okay. All right, so let's start off with green cards for same-sex couples, right? So can same-sex couples apply for a marriage green card in the United States? So can they? What do you guys think? Yeah, I'm going to look for some answers. I have some folks here on TikTok, on Facebook, and on YouTube. Again, so the question is, can a same-sex couple apply for a marriage-based green card? The answer is yes, absolutely. The Supreme Court has ruled that same-sex marriages are the same as any other marriage in the United States. So as long as it's a real marriage, it's not just done for immigration purposes, same-sex couples can enjoy the same benefits as any heterosexual couple in the United States, and this includes immigration benefits as well. So if you or someone you know is interested in applying for a green card, please let them reach out to us. You can have them call us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go to our Facebook page to schedule a consultation, which is Agarwal Immigration is the handle, or you can go to our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Hey Mohit, nice to see you. I'm doing well, thank you. So say hi, guys. I know many of you, and I love seeing some of you repeat. We folks that are watching on repeat with me or have met me for a consultation, or some of my clients as well. I love seeing you guys on here. So say hello if you already know me. Say hello if you don't know me. I would love to see. I would love to know where you're watching from and what types of immigration confusion maybe you might be having, or what you're looking for information about, so I can kind of tailor that to you guys. But if you want a confidential consultation, please call our office, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go on our Facebook page or our website, Agarwal Immigration, to schedule a consultation there as well. Okay? Awesome. So I see a ton of questions. I'm going to do my best. I'm going to do my best if I can get to many of them. Okay? Just remember, this is general information. To talk specifically about your case, please schedule a consultation, Zoom, phone, or in person. All right, guys? My number again, 703-348-1663. And you can also go online or on our website and schedule from there. Okay, Joss is saying, can someone travel on VAWA advanced parole even if asylum is open and pending in court? So can someone travel on VAWA advanced parole even if asylum is open and pending in court? So, Yash, that's a really good question. I would recommend that you do not travel until you receive your green card based on VAWA, okay? If you have asylum pending, you have to be careful not to travel to your home country, right? Because you're saying in your asylum application that you're afraid of returning to your home country. So if you do that, you have a really strong chance that your application will get denied. Even VAWA might become scrutinized because you have some allegation of potential fraud happening here if you filed an asylum application saying you're scared to return and then you're returning to your home country, right? So you don't want to do that. You don't want to open up a can of worms. Of course, be truthful and accurate in every application that you file. It is a bigger problem if you are not, okay? So call us if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. All right. Okay, so can a green card holder petition other family members to come to the United States? So can a green card holder petition family members to come to the United States? Of course, you can have people visit, right? So you can be a sponsor perhaps for anyone that wants to visit you for a tourist visa. Just remember, if they come to visit, they can only stay 6 months. But if you want to sponsor other people for a green card and you are a green card holder, that means that you can sponsor your spouse and you can sponsor your unmarried children. So those are the only people you can sponsor when you have a green card. And remember, if these guys are already in the United States, they have to be currently in status, okay, for you to do that. All right. If you become a U.S. citizen, however, you can sponsor your parents, you can sponsor your siblings, your spouse, and all children, married and unmarried. All right, I hope that is helpful to you guys. Give us a call if we can help you with your green card applications. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney helping clients all throughout the U.S. Okay? Awesome. Josh says, can I travel to another country? I don't know about your specific case, but I advise all of my clients on VAWA to wait until they have a green card to travel, right? Because what's going to happen is you run the risk of coming back and getting questioned on your VAWA application. If you have jet lag, if you don't have all the dates clear, you might get yourself into trouble, and you don't want to do that. So I'm going to highly advise you not to travel. Technically, can you travel to another country? Maybe, but I'm not going to, advise you to do that if you have a VAWA pending, okay? All right, what's the public charge rule and how does it impact green cards, right? So what's the public charge rule and how does it impact green card applications? So the public charge rule, guys, is to see if once you get a green card, are you going to rely on government funds, right? Are you going to be looking for assistance from the US government once you get a green card? So when they're reviewing your green card application, that's partly what they're looking at. Is the person that's sponsoring you, are they able to take care of you? And do they make enough money so that you're not going to have to look for the government to support you financially? So that's what they're looking at. So most family-based green card applications, there's a sponsor. If that person doesn't make enough of an income, you can have a joint sponsor. So keep that in mind, okay? But for humanitarian cases like VAWA, for example, where you're applying for a green card, you are not subject to public charge, okay? You are not subject to public charge. So give us a call if we can help you with your green card applications, or you're doing VAWA and a green card. We would love to work with you on that. Give us a call. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. And you can also go to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or to our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com, to schedule a consultation with us. All right? Great, guys. Okay, so Mohit has a bunch of questions here. And Mohit, you're on repeat. Okay, so Mohit is saying 15 months for a VAWA petition. You got an EAD and an advanced parole. I received my prima facie. How much more time? Well, we usually give the time frame. Well, it's a range, Mohit. How long does a VAWA take? It's really a range. We have some VAWA and green card approved in less than a year. We have some VAWAs that have taken 3 years, but then the green card is immediately approved, right? And so we have some where the VAWA gets approved and then the green card takes a little bit longer. So it doesn't mean anything necessarily, right? We're seeing strong applications and weaker applications, like all of them. It doesn't necessarily matter per se, right? It's not about the amount of evidence or anything like that. It's a little bit unpredictable. So typically it's taking about 2 years for a VAWA approval, and it takes about an additional year for the green card approval. So think of it that way. That's the time frame that we give out. If we can help you with your VAWA cases, please give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. And you can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Okay, I hope that is helpful to you guys. Let me run through some of your other questions, you guys, and see if I can help provide some clarity, but schedule a consult if you would like to talk about your case, okay? Okay. Umbreen is saying, my mom is a green card holder and my sister is a citizen. Who should apply for a sibling, right? Who should apply for a sibling? So remember that only U.S. citizens can apply for siblings. All right. So so your sister can apply for their sibling, but the other option is maybe to wait till your mom gets and becomes a U.S. citizen, and they can sponsor someone who's 32. Because remember, green card holders cannot sponsor married children. Okay, so green card holders cannot sponsor married children. Hope that's helpful. Give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with so many different types of immigration applications. Okay. USCIS scheduled an interview and canceled after 5 minutes. Well, it might just be a glitch in the system, okay? So don't read into these things. If they need more evidence, they're going to ask you for it. So don't read into this, all right? I hope that's helpful to you. After my VAWA is approved, how long until a green card is received? So usually an additional year until a green card interview is scheduled and the green card is sent. I'm seeing a lot of the same questions. My green card expired 3 months ago. I have to renew it and I'm waiting for an interview. Can I go back to my home country? So if you have an expired green card and you've applied to renew it, you can go to your home country. I would take the receipt notice from the application that you sent in showing that you have applied for the renewal. The other thing you can do is make an appointment with USCIS and get a stamp in your passport that allows you to re-enter as a green card holder. That should make things a lot smoother. So that's what you want to ask for, okay? An I-551 stamp before you leave. And of course, take your expired green card with you as well. All right, awesome. All right. Hey, my son is 16 years old. He's a witness in his brother's death in Jamaica, so I sent him to the U.S. to tell me. I'm not sure what that means. If you have an immigration question, please reach out to us and we can talk more in detail and I can get some more information. You can schedule a consultation by calling our office 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or to our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com, and schedule a consultation there. If you are joining me for the first time, you want to be notified when I go live, please make sure to like us and follow us on our social media platforms, but you can also share this with others if you think that they are going to be interested in this conversation, okay? Hi, ma'am. I'm watching from Indiana, says Manny. Thank you, Manny. I think I answered most of these questions. I'm seeing a lot of repeat questions, so I'm sorry about that. But thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. I will be on again. Stay tuned. Stay on top of us with our social media so you can get notified when I go live. But I hope to meet many of you for a consultation. It's a new week. It's spring. We're getting into the warmer weather, and hopefully we can all get excited about our new about getting in status or maybe getting some immigration benefits this year. Okay, thanks so much, guys. Have a great afternoon, and I will see you all soon. Thank you.